Hi and welcome to this short series of videos where we will help you plan your holiday with some useful advice. These are our travel tips. In this series we'll be giving some information on travelling to Cuba, a Caribbean island we visited in 2017. So this time around we're going to be talking about the airport, seating and luggage. Now the big day's arrived and you're at the airport. Now if you're flying with Thomas Cook from Manchester, the company we went with, then you need to head to Terminal 1. If Gatwick is your chosen airport, then check-in is at the South Terminal Zone E. For other airlines you'll need to check with them for up-to-date information. Now when it comes to checking in your baggage, Thomas Cook offers a service called Sundown Check-in. This is where you can check your bags in the night before you're due to travel. Sundown Check-in is only available for flights departing London Gatwick and Manchester. Now this is available for flights that depart up to 12 PM the following day. The check-in desks open from 4 PM until 10 PM the night before departure, and for passengers who wish to use the Sundown Check-in, you must be present at the time of check-in, even if you've already completed the online check-in. Now if you have any disability, medical need, or if you have difficulty moving around, Thomas Cook can also provide special assistance. They have a dedicated webpage which will give you all the details you need to make your journey go smoothly, and you can see the link in the show notes below. Now on board the aircraft you'll be entitled to a complimentary meal if your journey is over 7 hours. Now Cuba is around 9, so you can sit back, relax and enjoy the new James Martin inspired dishes. The menu changes on outbound and inbound flights, and don't worry if you're a vegan, diabetic or even gluten intolerant, as special menus can be provided. They even have set menus for children. Now the menus are slightly different between the main passenger cabin and the premium service, but again all this information can be found when you book through your tour operator. Your flight itself is operated by a new modern fleet of aircraft with Thomas Cook. These range from the Airbus A330 to Boeing 767. Now all the seats have a personal seatback TV, but be aware there may be extra charges involved for some of the entertainment offered through this system. Now if you wish to use your own electronic equipment on board, this is allowed but only during the flight and not on takeoff or landing, or when the seatbelt signs are illuminated. So items such as laptops, tablets and MP3 players are allowed. Again, check with your airline for more details. Also, there's no internet access when flying with Thomas Cook. Okay, let's take a look at how to pack your bags. This is a great tip and something we have always done when travelling. So instead of just folding your items in the case, roll them up. You'll find this actually gives you more room and helps the clothing stay relatively crease-free on your journey. Remember, when you stand your case upon its wheels, you need your footwear at the bottom to ensure that they don't weigh down on your clothes. As for baggage allowance, well, this can differ on Thomas Cook flights. If you're travelling to Cuba in the main passenger cabin, you can take 20 kilograms. In the premium area, 25. Hand luggage is 6 in the main passenger cabin and 10 in premium. And also, carry-on bags must not exceed 55 centimetres by 40 by 20. Now in the event your luggage goes missing en route, you should first contact the agents at your destination. You should also contact your insurance company if the loss is likely to exceed £250 or includes money, jewellery and valuable items such as cameras or video equipment. Don't forget, retain your tickets, baggage tags and receipts to support any claim. Well, that's all we've got time for in this show. We hope you can join us next time when we'll give you more information on visiting Cuba. And don't forget to leave a comment or a question below and subscribe for more holiday heroics with us in 2018. Bye for now.